Guys, so this card kind of symbolizes what's happened. Where the last ride, yesterday was the last ride of our making the sound effects for Aetherdrift that we started 106 days ago, 15 plus weeks ago. We started this whole series with the ambition and the thought of maybe somehow, some way we can get a preview card or an ambassadorship with Wizards of the Coast. And, because of your guys' help, because of the content, they looked at us and said, hey, we want you to be in the ambassador program. And I'm so thankful for so many of you guys who followed, who watched the videos, who shared the videos. Appreciate you guys so much. This has been a blast. I'm so excited to continue to be an ambassador all the way up until basically for Aetherdrift until I think it's March sometime we go. That we'll be able to put more. I'll be putting content out all the time for Aetherdrift still because I like the set. There's still a lot of stuff to put out for it. And it's been a blast, and I've really enjoyed it. And I'm sad to kind of see the sound effect thing go. That's why we're starting on the new series with Tarkir and getting you guys prepared for Tarkir with the hopes that hopefully Tarkir, one, they'll keep us on as an ambassador, but two, they will finally decide to give us a preview card because that would be really cool. But this has been a lot of fun, and I appreciate you guys. I want to thank Wizards of the Coast for the opportunity for trusting and believing in me. I appreciate you guys so much for believing in me and getting behind me and being excited about this. I know I put a little bit of crazy out there, and it was way out there, and I know it was fun for me. I like making sound effects. It's something I can do. There's a little talent I have of making lots of different types of sound effects, and I just have really enjoyed it, and I want to appreciate you guys and talk to you guys and say thank you guys so much. You guys have helped get me to where I am right now, and we're continuing to grow. Hopefully stay tuned. We got some really cool things coming up, some things planned, some exciting things planned, so stay tuned for all of that, and hopefully we'll be able to continue on after Aetherdrift is done and after we move on to the next stuff. We'll continue as ambassadors because I want to keep representing for you guys, to give you guys the content you guys need and bring the same energy that I brought to all the other sets and hype it up for you guys and get you guys excited. So thank you guys so much. Yes, this is the last ride for the vehicles and the sound effects for them for the time being until we get another vehicle set. But not the last ride for us. We're going to continue on. We're continuing to put content out for you guys every single day as much as you want. If there's some stuff you're like, hey, I'd love for you to talk about this or do that, hit us up with a message, send us a comment, let us know. But thank you guys so much for being a part of this journey so far. We're excited to continue on as the ambassador for Aetherdrift, and hopefully we'll continue that on of Tarkir as well. And looking forward to hopefully seeing many of you at MagicCon Chicago as well. Thank you guys so much for being here, and as always, we'll see you next time.